Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore 10 powerful passive income streams that can help you earn money even while you sleep. From online investments to digital products, these ideas are designed to build long-term financial freedom and give you more control over your future. Whether you're looking for side income or a complete lifestyle change, these streams can guide you toward real independence. Stay tuned until the end to discover all the options. And don't forget to subscribe. Number 10. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are one of the most popular ways to earn passive income. By investing in companies that regularly share their profits with shareholders, you can receive consistent payouts without actively working. These dividends are usually paid quarterly, and many investors reinvest them to grow their wealth faster. The key is to choose well-established companies with a history of steady dividend payments. Over time, this income stream can become a reliable source of cash flow. It not only provides stability, but also allows you to benefit from potential stock price growth, making it a double advantage for investors. Number 9. Rental property. Owning rental property is a powerful way to generate passive income. Once you purchase a property and rent it out, tenants pay monthly rent, giving you a steady flow of income. Over time, the property can also appreciate in value, increasing your overall wealth. Many people use this method as a long-term financial strategy since it provides both cash flow and asset growth. While property management requires some effort, hiring a property manager can make it almost completely passive. With the right location and tenants, rental properties can secure strong income and become a valuable investment for the future. Number 8. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending allows you to act like a mini bank by lending money to individuals or businesses through online platforms. In return, you earn interest on the money you lend. This method provides higher returns compared to traditional bank savings, but it does come with risks if borrowers default. Diversifying your loans across multiple borrowers helps reduce those risks. Platforms usually handle the process, making it simple for investors. Over time, your portfolio of small loans can generate consistent returns. It is a convenient and modern way to make your money work for you, while helping others access needed funds. Number 7. Create an online course. An online course is an excellent way to earn passive income by sharing your knowledge. You can create video lessons, written material, or step-by-step guides on a subject you know well. Once the course is made and uploaded to platforms like Udemy or Teachable, it can be sold repeatedly to students worldwide. This means you work once but continue earning every time someone purchases your course. The demand for online learning is growing, and many people are willing to pay for valuable skills. With the right promotion, your course can become a consistent income source for years to come. Number 6. Royalties from ebooks. Writing and publishing an ebook can bring long-term passive income through royalties. Once your book is uploaded to platforms like Amazon Kindle, readers can purchase it anytime, and you earn money with each sale. The best part is that the book remains online indefinitely, allowing you to make money even years later. Whether it's fiction, non-fiction, or a guide on a specific topic, ebooks are highly accessible to a global audience. With effective marketing and good reviews, sales can grow steadily. It's a great way to turn your writing into a product that works for you around the clock. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing lets you earn income by promoting other people's products online. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you receive a commission. This works well through blogs, social media, or websites where you can share product recommendations. The best part is that you don't have to handle shipping, customer service, or product creation. Once you set up the links and create good content, your work can generate money automatically. Many companies offer affiliate programs, making it easy to join. Over time, as your audience grows, affiliate marketing can become a powerful stream of passive income. Number 4. YouTube channel. A YouTube channel can become a strong source of passive income once it grows. By uploading videos on topics you enjoy, you can attract an audience and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and memberships. After creating and uploading videos, they continue to get views for months or even years, generating income without extra work. The platform also allows earnings from merchandise and partnerships, adding more opportunities. While building a channel takes effort in the beginning, the long-term rewards can be significant. Once your content library expands, your videos can keep earning for you while reaching audiences worldwide. Number 3. Print on demand. Print on demand allows you to design products like t-shirts, mugs, or posters. and sell them without holding inventory. Online platforms handle printing, packaging, and shipping. Whenever a customer places an order, you simply upload your designs, set prices, and earn profits from each sale. This business model requires little upfront investment, making it accessible for beginners. The key is to create appealing designs that connect with niche audiences. Once your designs are live, they can continue generating sales with minimal effort. It's an easy way to turn creativity into passive income, while letting technology handle the complicated parts of the process. Number 2. High-yield savings. High-yield savings accounts provide a safe and effortless way to earn passive income. Unlike regular savings accounts, they offer higher interest rates, which means your money grows faster. The account functions the same way as a normal one, but you benefit from stronger returns while keeping your funds secure. There's no active management required, making it one of the simplest methods to earn without risk. Many online banks offer these accounts, often with no fees and easy access to your money. While the income may not be huge, it provides steady growth and a safe foundation for financial planning. Number 1. Stock index funds. Stock index funds are a popular way to build passive income through long-term investing. These funds pool money from many investors and spread it across a wide range of stocks, reducing risk while providing steady returns. They track major indexes like the S&P 500, ensuring broad market exposure. Over time, these funds grow in value, and many also pay dividends, giving you both growth and income. Unlike individual stocks, index funds require no active management, making them beginner-friendly. With consistent contributions, your investment can grow significantly, offering financial freedom and stability while you sleep. It's a proven wealth-building method. Thanks for watching this video on 10 passive income streams that can help you build wealth while you sleep. I hope you found these ideas useful and inspiring to start your own journey toward financial freedom. Keep exploring opportunities, stay consistent, and remember to subscribe for more valuable content.